Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to buy cryptocurrency on CoinDCX. First of all, you will need to deposit some of the funds. So for example, like USDT or Ethereum from somewhere else. So to do this, once you are here on your profile, you want to click deposit. And now you will need to go ahead and select the coin which you want to deposit. So let's choose, we can choose Tether. So let's choose maybe Ethereum. After that, you will see your wallet address right there and you want to go ahead and copy. Now you want to go ahead, for example, to Binance and click withdraw option. So right there, you're going to see a withdraw option, or you can also go to your assets. So on assets, you will see here withdraw, click on it. Now you're going to choose, for example, Ethereum, because we just chose Ethereum address. Now you're going to enter the address you just copied from CoinDCX and you're going to select the network ETH. After you have copied the address here, you're going to enter the amount and withdraw the funds to your CoinDCX wallet. Now on CoinDCX, you want to click trade. And once you have ETH, you want to choose here on this option more and choose ETH. Now you want to choose the coin which you want to buy. So for example, let's choose Ripple. And on the Ripple option, you can click buy and you will see this pop up. Now you can sell it, you can buy it with Ethereum. As you can see, you're going to enter the amount which you want to go ahead and buy, and you're going to click buy. If this video was helpful, make sure to subscribe, and I will see you next time. Bye.